Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how you can remove any person from your best friend list. So if you want to remove any person or account from your best friend list, then unfortunately there is no direct method to do so. The only methods which are available is that the first thing you do is limit your interaction with them or try to completely halt your interaction with them on Snapchat. Using this technique, they will be automatically removed from your best friend list and some other account will take their place. Or as a last resort, what you can do is simply try to block their account in Snapchat, and this will do the trick and it might remove them from your BFF list on Snapchat. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.